Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can extract single pages of your PDF documents and files in the Bluebeam Revu application. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to Bluebeam Revu and open up your document. And what you want to do, guys, is navigate to this tab on the left hand side, thumbnail, that is going to give you an overview of your pages inside your document. So one option would be to right click into the given page and to select extract pages. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X. Alternatively, you click into document at the top and you will see the same option here. So click into it. And then what you want to do, guys, is select the page you would like to extract. Click into the drop down menu, choose all, current, selected, or a custom rate. So if you select the given page here, you can go with the selected one here or current, and as you can see, that's page number 2. And then go through these options. For example, you may allow Bluebeam Rev to open files after extraction, and so on and so forth. Confirm by clicking into OK, and then save the given page as a document, as a separate document on your device. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.